So I'm looking here. I look about the same side. We're gonna do it like this. So I'm gonna take some oil from the oven. Make sure she got the ring. What she do? I'm gonna do it like that. Just pull it around like that. Just a little bit. And crazy. Bam. Don't worry about the neatness. We'll be alright. As long as we ain't dirty. We clean up after ourselves, we'll be alright. This for the OCD folks that be tripping. That see something and be like, oh my God. Why'd you just do it like that? Because there's 1,000 ways to skin a cat, my boy. Oh, hold on, I think I'm going the wrong way. Lefty loosey. Alrighty tighty. Bam. No, I was going the right way. I was going the right way. We're going to do that like that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, I ain't the strongest man in the room, but come on now. Yeah. My hand a little slippery though. So I do it like this. That's enough. That's not right now. She ain't going nowhere. For you Hulkamania strong men, what are you gonna do when Huff gets a hold of you? Yeah, we good.